How to earn money from your blog. In this video, we will tell you how to earn money from your blog. You may have started blogging for fun, but chances are that along the way you discovered that some people are making serious money with their blogs. So you start a new blog in a niche you believe can be profitable for you. When you do this, make sure you pick a niche that you are deeply interested in. Better yet, you should be passionate about the niche you're blogging in. Write about your passion. If you write about a subject you're passionate about, your enthusiasm for your subject will show in your blog posts. There is nothing more engaging than reading something written by an author that's totally nuts about their field. The information you share will be practical and valuable, and your enthusiasm for your subject will be delightfully contagious. After all, you are an expert in your field. Post on a schedule. Write and post on a regular schedule. Your followers will expect new content on the frequency they've learned to expect from you. Although some experts recommend that you post every day, it can become quite burdensome to produce a new quality post every day. For your post to be great, you have to do sufficient research. Research is normally time-consuming, and it can be quite taxing. That's why daily blogging can cause burnout. If this happens, your health can suffer, and your blog can fail due to your absence while you're trying to overcome your burnout. Do basic SEO. Even though you're having fun writing about your favorite subject, and you're writing in a conversational tone, you need to keep the search engines in mind. Some basic SEO is a must for every blog post so you can get the freest traffic possible. Work on increasing your traffic. Your earnings from your blog will be strongly impacted by how much traffic you get. Many people use advertising as a way to monetize their blogs, especially when they first start out. You will get the best results from advertisers who are in a field closely related to the subject of your blog. Lastly, you want to keep in mind that blogging is a long-term endeavor. You probably will not be able to quit your 9-to-5 after the first month. However, with persistence, many people have gone on to make serious money through their blogs. You can most likely do it too if you stick to it long enough. Remember, you have a decided advantage if you've gotten the right start. You have to write about a topic you are passionate about. You know tons about your topic because you have been learning about it for as long as you can remember. You will undoubtedly persevere, since you could talk about your topic all day long. Well, you can write about it all day long as well. I confess I am obsessed with traffic. That's because after years of frustration trying to get traffic to my websites, I discovered the power of some easy, time-tested methods for free and low-cost traffic generation.